This is a rally car, guys. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is one of the most boring cars ever built from Toyota. But this one has something special under the hood.
Just a couple of tricks.
And in this video, guys, I'm gonna show you what this Yaris gazooracing, how they say in Japan, can do on the street.
Lots of noises for sure.
Yeah. It has a custom ECU under the hood, an anti-lag system, an external pop-off, and other things that you never seen under a Toyota Yaris GR. 370 horsepower.
Wow, that's huge.
It's so short, it's so easy to drive. It has a DCCD system. When you pull the handbrake, the limited slip differential opens and allows you to drift in a better way without pushing the clutch. So it's a really funny car. It has just one problem between all the Toyota that made history. 1 cylinder's missing, 3 cylinders, never gonna be funny.
I think we're not gonna suffer so much about this thing with this car. I think so.
Let's go on board and let's find out if it's really funny, as they said to me 2 minutes ago. Genie film the startup and the revs. I want to try to record the sound and the noise that this car makes on the webs. Noise!
I think that's not gonna work because I'm gonna get scared immediately.
This is why this car is funny.
I've been thinking about you, boy. Yeah, yeah. All I think about is you, boy. All I think about is
Wow, no, davvero? Oh, guys, I'm not joking. It looks faster than the stock one.
Oh my god.
This Yaris has an ECU from Cyvex that costs around 6,000 euros. But this ECU is the only way today to have fully customizable ECU tuning on this Yaris GR. Map number 3, the map number 3 is the fastest one, but without funny things. Now I'm gonna show you the 4th and the 5th map, the one with the anti-lag. Let me show you. Jenny, can you hear it? It looks like you're driving a Group A car. That's amazing. Wow, I'm in love with the anti-lag. I just want it on my Supra. The anti-lag is to keep the turbocharger always under pressure. Wow, it looks like a rally car. Wow, are you listening to this car?
Oh my god.
This is not a Yaris GR anymore. This is a rally car, guys.
That's crazy.
Okay, let's put back map number 3, just for normal driving, just for a
Tourism.
comfort driving. And then you select this button, you change the ECU map, and it's gonna show. Can you see it on the RPM? Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is gonna be your software you're gonna use while driving. I don't hate it anymore. All the Yaris GR owners should buy this ECU. 1, 2, 3! Wow, nice, nice. Let me find a place to show you from the outside what you're gonna hear when a Yaris GR like this pass by. No way. I think it's the fastest Toyota GR on the planet. Sorry, I just ran a lot from Acme headquarters to come here. Can you hear the sound of this bass? Can you hear the sound of the bass? Wow, you cannot hear the smell. It doesn't smell so wow. Hi. Hello. Jenny, how was?
We are ignorant people.
I cannot hear you, sorry, I cannot hear you. What the f? But why? Just why? I say just why you did that to the Yaris GR? Why? Okay guys, see you in the next video. I'm gonna run back to my car. Subscribe to the channel.